Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Bank of Jamaica will float a 182-day, $700 million Treasury bill on December 4. The bank says that 5,000 Jamaican dollars is the minimum subscription, and the interest paid on the instrument is taxable at 25%. Interest will be paid at maturity, and it can be bought through the various security brokers. The yield and price of the instrument will be determined through competitive bidding, and the maturity date is June 6, 2025. Blocks of shares have crossed hands by connected parties involved in notable companies on the stock exchange. One-on-One Educational Services Limited has advised that a senior officer sold a total of 630,000 one-on-one shares during the period of November 1 to 4, 2024. Cygnus Credit Investments Limited has advised that a director purchased 12,478 ordinary shares on November 25, 2024. Investors can look forward to cash in hand from stock market investments. Separate Limited has declared a dividend of 0.605 cents per share payable on January 17, 2025 to shareholders on record as at December 20, 2024. The ex-dividend date is December 20, 2024. Honey Bun 1982 Limited has declared a dividend of 0.09 cents per share payable on December 27, 2024 to shareholders on record as at December 11, 2024. The ex-dividend date is December 11, 2024. During the period of trading for November 28, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 8,636,554 units represent 24.46% of the market volume in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,508,629 units represents 9.94% of the market volume in terms of sales. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 3,221,220 units represent 9.12% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On November 28, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $45.34 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $65.19 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.52 and bought the US dollar for $158.01. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.50, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 34 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $112.66 and bought for $112.32. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.58, selling it for $201.64 and buying it for $194.06. For our credit report tip of the day, thinking about starting your own business, whether you're leveraging personal savings, applying for grants, securing loans, or attracting investors, here's how your credit score can help you access the best funding options. You can refinance existing debt. A higher credit score helps you negotiate better terms, freeing up your cash for business. You can also leverage personal savings more strategically. A good score reduces reliance on savings alone by broadening your funding options. And you can purchase or lease equipment. Finance essential tools for your business with ease and lower costs. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.